these transfers really couldn't be easier. You just decide where you want to put part of the design on your project. In my case, I really like the part of the letter on the box. So I just took a Sharpie, marked it off where I was to cut the transfer design at, and I did the same for the top. Once I had it, the design cut out exactly where I wanted it, I wanted to place it onto the box in a straight manner. So I didn't want it on an angle or anything, but you could put it on an angle. You can do it however you feel you want your transfer to look. And these are so fun to work with because you can place them sideways, upside down. It doesn't really matter. You can layer them with the other part of the design. You can just create whatever you want to create. And I find that one of my transfer rules lasts for numerous projects. It's very rare that I use a full rule on a project. I think I did on maybe a couple of very large, like 6 and 9 drawer dressers. But other than that, usually a transfer rule will last me numerous projects. So they're very economical as well. So here I'm just using the stick applicator that's included with the transfers, and you just rub it on. To make the rub on a little bit easier, I flipped the box onto its back, and then this way the transfer is much, much easier to apply. You'll notice that the transfer design starts looking as if it's coming off the Mylar sheet, and once you see that it looks a little different after you've rubbed it, then you'll know to lift the sheet and it will adhere to your project. And if you by chance lift before it's 100% adhered, that's no problem. You just put the Mylar sheet back down and start rubbing it a little bit more.